In this video, I'll show you how to improve your Google searches. This is the next step after learning how to perform a basic search in the first part. How to use Google on a computer. Easy guide for beginners and seniors. Today, you'll learn some new tips that will help you find what you're looking for faster and easier. Let's get started. First, open the browser by double-clicking the browser icon with the left mouse button. When your browser appears, type google.com in the address bar. Then press Enter. Move your mouse to the search box and click once with the left mouse button in the search box. For this example, we are going to search for cars, so we type cars in the search box. Now press Enter or use the left mouse button and click on the magnifying glass. Above the search results, you will see various filters, such as all, images, videos, short videos, places, news, places, sites. By clicking on these filters, we can filter the search results. For example, if you click on images, you will see that your search results change to images of cars. If you left-click on videos, your search results will change to videos of cars. You can click on all these filters to change your search results. So if you are looking for cars and want to see images of cars, first enter cars in the search box. Then click on images above the search results and you will see that you get all images of cars. You can do this with any search filter to change your search results. Now let's search for PDF files about a diabetes diet. We can do this by typing diabetes diet PDF in the search field, clicking on the magnifying glass or pressing Enter. You will now see the results of PDF files about diabetes diets. Left-click on one of the results to open it. You will see that the PDF document opens in your browser. You can also search for healthy recipes on official government websites. Left-click in the search field, then type in healthy recipes site:/gov. Press Enter or click on the magnifying glass, and you will see the requested results. This method helps you get credible and specific results. Don't worry, it's not difficult. Try it a few times and you'll see how easy it is. Some results when searching on Google are paid advertisements. These are companies that pay to be shown first in the search results. If you look closely at the results, you can recognize them. Usually a label such as ad, sponsored, or promoted is added. Scroll through the search results and see if you can find them. Another useful feature is that Google can help you with math or translations. An example of math. Enter 12 patterns in the search field. Then press Enter or click on the magnifying glass, and you will see that Google displays a calculator in the result. You can also convert money. Just type convert $100 to euros in the search box, and Google will immediately give you the result and also provide information about the conversion rate. You can also use Google for translations. Type Translate Good Morning Dear Friend to Spanish in the search box, press Enter, or click on the magnifying glass. You will now see two boxes, one with the English text and the other with the translated text in Spanish. Let me repeat what we learned today. Use filters like images, news, or videos to get better results. Try searching for PDFs or government sites if you want trusted info. Look for ad or sponsored to know it's an advertisement. Ask Google to calculate or translate for you. Take your time and practice. These small steps make a big difference. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, please like and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Video 3, Advanced Google Search Tips for Seniors, Easy Step-by-Step Tutorial.